Hey guys, welcome to the Quant Capital FX. In today's video we will discuss our best trade ideas for the coming week. Before we continue, we also want to note that we have a Telegram channel as well, where we post a lot of educational content and our real trades in real time. So last week we made around 200 pips in a free chat, so we do not have any VIP sections or paid signals. Join us, educate with us, and let's go to the charts. So here's pound Swiss, weekly time frame. And as you can see, we have these two perfect long wick candles that reacted to this dynamic support level on the weekly time frame, creating for us a bearish bias. Let's move to the daily time frame. As you can see, price traded in that tight range for the months. But for us, the most interesting thing is that the past two candles rejected the 50 EMA. But our bearish buy is still unconfirmed. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see a more clear picture. So here in the 4-hour time frame, to confirm our bearish bias, we need to put a tight trend line and wait for a breakout of this trend line. But we also want to note that the price has created a double top right here, as well as a lower high right here, which added more confidence to our bearish bias. So again, we need to wait a breakout of this trend line and then enter the trade short. Here's AUD New Zealand, weekly time frame. This pair is our winner for the next week. As you can see, we have already established our dynamic support zone. And as you can see, price reacted to that level with long wick candle, creating for us a bearish bias, meaning that price tried to push higher the dynamic resistance level but failed. Let's move to the daily time frame. Here on the daily, we have a perfect lower high that was formed, meaning a momentum loss. And this adds even more confidence to our bearish bias. So for now, we need to put a tight trend line. Once this trend line will be broken, our bearish bias will be confirmed. So we will look for a trade entry on the break of this trend line with a heavy momentum. So moving on. Here's SPX 500 daily time frame. And as you can see, price has been traded in the tight range for months. Here's SPX 500 daily time frame. And as you can see, price has been traded in the tight range for months. For us, the most possible scenario is the following. Price could create a double top and then proceeded down. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame to look deeper. So again, if price creates a double top, we will not jump into the trade blindly. For this scenario, we again put a trend line and waiting for a breakout of this trend line, and then we enter the trade. Here's EURAUD daily time frame, and we can see that price created a double bottom pattern right here. So let's move to the 4-hour time frame and look deeper. Here's 4-hour time frame, and again, we do not jump into the trade blindly right here. We always wait for a confirmation of our trades and our setups. So in this scenario, we again put a trend line and wait for a breakout of this trend line to confirm our bullish bias. Once this breakout will be occurred, we enter the trade. So here our watch list for the next week. If you guys enjoyed this video, press the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our Telegram channel, and see you on the next video.